Hi, my name is John. I'm an automation engineer, and I want to teach you a couple things on how to use times. In this video, I'm going to talk about event timers. When using distributed decision making, you want to give your users some time to respond before moving on with the rest of your story. Let's figure out how to configure it. Jumping into my story, I'm going to start with these two actions, run me and create prompt. Create prompt is going to create a new URL that when a user visits it, it will register a new event in Tines. So let's check that out. If I run this action, go to create prompt, check the event. I'll have this URL. And if I highlight this and visit it, Tines will register a response by the user. If I go back to here, a new event will be emitted saying that the user clicked on that URL. So to use this further in a story, I want to take two separate actions. And I'll drag on these two actions right now. So the first path I want to take, I'm going to call delay event. This will serve as my timer, the amount of time that I'll give a user to reply back to that prompt. For right now, I'll just leave this at 5 seconds. I'll link that up. And then I'm going to catch to see if a user responded by clicking on the link. So user response. Here, I'm going to check to see if the event from create prompt .prompt .status, if that is equal to clicked, then I know somebody visited the URL and responded to my prompt. To bring these two paths back together, I'm going to create a new action. And I'm going to name it deduplicate responses. Here I'm going to change that into deduplicate mode. And I'm going to use a special value called story run GUID to only allow one instance of either a delay event or a prompt response to go through the rest of my story. And for good measure, I'm going to finish off the story with an action called done to show that only one action or one event will make it through the whole way. So if I go back up to run me, I'll create new prompt and delay event. I'll delay the event for 5 seconds. I'll deduplicate the response. Actually, I'll go visit this link. So I just visited that link, user response, in my logs. My story run GUID is not unique, so I'm only going to allow one event true because my timer expired. Now, I'm going to raise this time to 20 seconds now. I'm going to run this action again, create prompt. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go to the link. This time, I'm going to catch that the user responded to the prompt instead of the delay event action going through the entire workflow. And if I go back to here, I emitted a unique event up here for 884. That was my prompt response. And when the timer expired, I deduplicated that same story run was coming through. And I only have 2 events that came through the entire workflow. That's how you do event timers in Tines. And that's it for this video. Feel free to check out some of our other ones for some more tips. See ya.